Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 2. Find R if 6R7 base 8 is equals to 511 base 9, A5, B2, C3, and D6. Now we're to find R in this given what expression. We're given that 6R7 base 8 is equal to 511 in base 9. Now for us to be able to find R, we have to convert both sides to base 10. Since they are in different bases, we can't find R, so converting them to base 10 will enable us to get the value of R. So we convert both sides to base 10. Therefore 6R7 base 8 will be equals to 6 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2. Remember the powers from the right to the left, starting from 0, base 2 plus R times 8 raised to the power of 1 plus 7 times 8 raised to the power of 0. Then 511 base 9 will be equal to 5 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 2, same way 2, 0, 1, 2. Then plus 1 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 0. Now, therefore, we have that 6 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2 plus R multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 1 plus 7 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 0 is equal to, now this here represents what 6R7 base 8. We've converted it to base 10. This is the conversion to base 10. Then it's equals to 5 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 0. Also 511 base 9 has been converted to base 10. This is the conversion to base 10. Now from this we have that 6 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2 will give us 64 plus R multiplied by 8 is raised to the power of 1 is 8 plus 7 multiplied by 1 8 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 8 raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Then this is equal to 5 multiplied by what? 81. 9 raised to the power of 2 is 81 plus 1 multiplied by 9 plus 1 multiplied by 1. 9 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So from this, 6 multiplied by 64 will give us 384 plus 8R plus 7 is equal to 5 multiplied by 81 will give us 405 plus 9, that's 1 times 9, then plus 1, 1 times 1. So from this we'll have that 384 plus 7 collecting like terms now will give us 391. So we have 391 plus 8R is equals to 405 plus 9 plus 1 will give us 415. Now collecting like terms we have that 8R is equals to 415 minus 391, meaning that 8R is equals to 24. Now we divide both sides by the coefficient of R, which is 8. 8 here we cancel 8. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. So that means the value of R is equals to 3. So it simply means that 637 base 8 is equals to 511 base 9. That is because this 3 here represents R. So R is equals to 3, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 3. Simplify in brackets 3 over 4 of 4 over 9 divided by 9 whole number 1 over 2 close bracket, then divided by 1 whole number 5 over 19. Options given are A 1 over 25, B 1 over 4, C 1 over 5, D 1 over 36. So we will simplify this given. Now in this simplification, let's deal with the bracket first of all. We have 3 over 4 of, this of here simply means multiplication. So it simply means 3 all over 4 multiplied by 4 over 9, then divided by, now this is a mixed number, so we have to convert it to an improper fraction. That will be 9 multiplied by 2, which is 18 plus 1, that is 19. So we have divided by 19 all over 2 close brackets, then divided by This is also a mixed number. We convert it to a what? Improper fraction. 1 times 19 will give us 19, plus 5 will give us 24. So 24 over 19. So we have 3 over 4 multiplied by 4 over 9. Now this sign, we can't carry out arithmetic with this sign, so you have to change this division sign to what? Multiplication. And by doing that, this here has to change, that is, the denominator will become numerator. So multiply by, it will now become 2 over 19. 2 over 19 divided by what? 24 over 19. So we have now 3 all over 4 multiplied by 4 over 9. Now I'm opening the brackets, multiply by 2 over 19. Now this sign has to change to multiplication sign, multiply by what? 19 over 24. Now you can see that what? This 4 can cancel this 4, this 19 can cancel this 19, then this 3 here 1, and 3 in 9 will give us 3. So we have what? This is equals to 2 all over 3 multiplied by 24, and that is equals to 2 all over 72. Now we can still break this into the lowest term, and that will be equals to 1 over 36. So this is the answer to this question, 1 over 36, and that is option D. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 4. A student measures a piece of rope and found that it was 1.6 meter long. If the actual length of this rope was 1.25 meter long, what is the percentage error in the measurement? Now the options given are A 0.4%, B 0.01%, C 0.25%, and D 0.8%. Now he actually measured this rope, that is, let's say the measured length now. The measured length is equals to 1.26 meter, but then the actual length of this rope, is equals to what? 1.25 meter. Now we can now say error will be equals to what? Measured length minus the actual length, and that is equals to 1.26 minus 1.25. So the error here in the measurement is equals to what? 0.01 meters. But we are asked to find what? We are asked to find the percentage error in the measurements, not the error. So percentage error in the measurements, percentage error in the measurement is equals to the error all over the actual length, error over actual length multiplied by 100, and that is equal to error, which is 0.01 all over the actual length, 1.25 multiplied by 100, and this is equal to 1 all over 1.25, and that is equal to 1 over 1.25 is equal to 0.8. So the percentage error is 0.8%, and that is option D, 0.8%. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 5. At what rate will the interest on 400 naira increase to 24 naira in 3 years, reckoning in simple interest? A 4%, B 2%, C 3%, and D 5%. Now this question is simply coined from what? Simple interest. Simple interest. Now the principal amount here is what? 400, because we are asked for the interest of 400. So, and we know that simple interest I is giving us PRT all over 100. Now from this question we can stipulate that the interest I is 24 naira, because they say at what rate will the interest of 400 naira increase to 24 naira. So interest, simple interest, is 24 naira. The principal amount P is equals to 400 naira. Then the rates R is what you're looking for, which you don't know, and the time taken is what? 3 years. Now from this we can find what's our R. Simple interest 24 naira is equals to the principal amount, 400 multiplied by the rates r multiplied by the time, which is 3 years, all over 100. From this we can say 2400 is equals to 400 multiplied by 3 multiplied by r, and that is 2400 is equals to 1200 r. Now divide both sides by 1200. So we have 1200 over 1200. So we have that r is equals to 2400 all over 1200, and r is equals to 2%. So the rate at which this 400, the interest of 400 will increase to 24 naira in 3 years is 2%, which is option B. That is the answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 6. If P ratio Q is equals to 2 over 3 ratio 5 over 6 and Q ratio R is equals to 3 over 4 ratio 1 over 2, find P ratio Q ratio R. Now the options given are: A is 9 ratio 10 ratio 15, B 12 ratio 15 ratio 16, C 16 ratio 15 ratio 12, and D 10 ratio 15 ratio 24. Now we're given that, first of all, P ratio Q is equals to 2 over 3 ratio 5 over 6. That is, from this, P is equals to 2 over 3 and Q is equals to 5 over 6. Now the next one says Q ratio R is equal to 3 over 4 ratio 1 over 2. That is, Q is equals to 3 over 4 and R is equals to 1 over 2. Now looking at this, you see that what we have two values for Q, so we can simply say Q is equals to 5 over 6 multiplied by 3 over 4. Now 3 here 1, 3 here 2, so this is equals to 5 over 8. So Q is equals to 5 over 8. Now P ratio Q ratio R will be equals to 2 over 3 ratio 5 over 8 ratio 1 over 2. Now looking at this, let's look at the denominator. The denominator here will have what? If we can make the denominator here to have the same base, that is having the same LCM, then we can pick the numerator as the ratio. So the LCM now, this denominator, we have 3, 8 and 2. That is what? 24. 24. Now 3 in 24 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 will give us 16 ratio. 8 in 24 is 3. 3 times 5, 15. Then 2 in 24 is 12. 12 times 1 is what? 12. Now we can now pick the word numerator as the ratio. We can now say, since the denominator now is the same for all, we can now say P ratio Q ratio R is equals to 16 ratio 15 ratio 12. And looking at this, that is what? Option C. So option C is the correct answer to this question. 16 ratio 15 ratio 12. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 7. Evaluate 81 over 16 raised to the power of minus 1 over 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of minus 1. A 1 over 3, B 6, C 3, and D 1 over 6. Now we have to evaluate this question, this expression. We have 81 all over 16 raised to the power of minus 1 over 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of minus 1. Now looking at this from indices, when you have anything raised to the power, when you have a negative power, it simply means what? Like from indices, we have that A raised to the power of minus n is equals to what? 1 all over A raised to the power of n. This is the law in indices. So this negative power simply means what? 1 over. So from this we can simply say, well, this is 1 all over 81 over 16. 81 over 16 raised to the power of what? 1 over 4. Then multiply by 1 over 2. Now from this also, from indices, when we have A raised to the power of n over m, it simply means what? the m root of a raised to the power of what? N. So now we'll apply it here also. Now since we have 81 over 16 raised to the power of 1 over 4, it simply means what? The fourth root of what? 81 over 16 raised to the power of 1, then multiply by what? 1 over 2. Now this will give us what? The fourth root of 81 all over the fourth root of 16 multiplied by 1 over 2. Now the fourth root of 81 is equals to what? Is equals to 3. The fourth root, now I forgot to put my 1 here, that is 1 all over. Please don't forget 1 over, and here too 1 over. That's this negative. Remember we did it like this, 1 over. So we now have what? 1 all over. The fourth root of 81 is 3, and the fourth root of 16 is what? 2. Then multiply by 1 over 2. So this will give us 1 all over 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. Now 1 over 3 all over 2 is the same thing as saying what? 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2. Now how did I do this? This is the same thing as saying 1 divided by 3 over 2, and that is equals to what? 1 multiplied by 2 over 3. So that's how we got this 2 over 3. So multiply by 1 over 2. Now this 2 we cancel this 2, so we have what? This is equals to 1 all over 3, which is option A. So option A is the answer to this question. Remember I told you that this negative sign represents what? 1 over, which was what you did here, 1 over that followed it. So the answer is 1 over 3. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 8. Given that log 2 is equal to 0.3010 and log 7 is equal to 0.8451, evaluate log 112. Options are A 2.5441, B 2.0491, C 2.1461, and D 3.1461. Alright, so now we are given log 112 and we have to estimate it, given that log 2 is this and log 7 is this. Now log 112 is equal to log 16 multiplied by 7. 16 multiplied by 7 is equals to 112. Now from logarithm you can write this as log 16 plus log 7. So this is equal to, now 16 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 4. I can now say log 2 raised to the power of 4 plus log 7. And this is equals to 4 log 2 plus log 7. Now I can now represent log 2 with 0.3010. So I can now say 4 multiplied by 0.3010 plus log 7 as 0.8451. 0.8451. Now 4 multiplied by this will give me 1.204 plus 0.8451, and this will give me 2.0491. Now this is the answer, 2.0491, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos in past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 9. Rationalize 2 root 3 plus root 5 all over root 5 minus root 3. Now we are asked to rationalize what this surd given to us. So we have 2 root 3 plus root 5 all over root 5 minus root 3. Now in order for us to rationalize this, we have to find the conjugate of this denominator, that is root 5 minus root 3, and then multiply the numerator and the denominator by this conjugate. Now the conjugates, to simplify the conjugate of root 5 minus root 3, we simply change the sign, and that is equals to root 5 plus root 3. Now we multiply what? The numerator and denominator by this conjugate. So we'll be having 2 root 3 plus root 5 all over root 5 minus root 3 multiplied by root 5 plus root 3 all over root 5 plus root 3. Now this will be giving us 2 root 3 plus root 5 into root 5 plus root 3 all over root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3. Now opening these brackets, we'll have that 2 root 3 plus multiplied by root 5 will give us 2 root 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2 root 3 multiplied by root 3 will give us 2 root 3 multiplied by 3 plus root 5 multiplied by root 5 will give us root 5 times 5 plus root 5 multiplied by root 3 will give us what? Root 5 times 3 all over root 5 multiplied by root 5 will give us what? Root 5 multiplied by 5. Root 5 multiplied by root 3 will give us plus 5 multiplied by 3. Now minus root 3 multiplied by root 5 will give us what? Minus root 3 multiplied by 5. Then minus root 3 multiplied by plus root 3 will give us minus root 3 multiplied by 3. Now from here we'll be having 2 root 15 plus 2 root 9 plus root 25 plus root 15 all over root 25 plus root 15 minus root 15 minus root 9. Now minus root 15 we can plus root 15 we cancel minus root 15. So now from this we'll be having what? Collecting like terms, we'll be having 3 root 15, that is this 2 root 15 plus root 15 will give us 3 root 15. Then here we'll be having what? Root 9 will give us 3, so 2 times 3 will give us what? 6 plus 6. Root 25 will give us what? 5 plus 5 all over root 25 here will give us what? 5, and minus root 9 here will give us what? Minus 3. So this is equals to 3 root 15 plus 6 plus 5 will give us 11 all over 5 minus 3 will give us what? 2. So the answer is 3 root 15 plus 11 all over 2, and that is option A, 3 root 15 plus 11 over 2. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 10. Express the products of 0.21 and 0.34 in standard form. A. 7.14 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3. B. 7.14 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 1. C. 7.14 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 2. And D. 7.14 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 4. Now to express this product of 0.21 and 0.34 in standard form. Now 0.21 multiplied by 0.34 will give 0.0714. 0.0714. Now 0.0714 in standard form. Standard form is just a way of what? Writing small numbers or large numbers, writing them in what? In the simplest form. Now to write this in standard form, it will be equals to, now we have to move this decimal place now towards after a whole number, that is we have to move it to a first significant figure, which is 7 here. So moving it to the right will make the power negative, and if we're moving it to the left, the power will be positive. So because we're moving it to the right, so we're moving it 1 2. Now we'll have what? 7.14 multiplied by 10. Now because we move it to the right, we are going to have what? Raised power of a negative power. But if we had moved it to the left, it would have been a what? Positive power. But moving to the left will not give us a significant figure, so moving to the right gave us a significant figure 7. So we had 7.14 times 10. Now the number of times we moved it, which is 1 2, so times 10 raised power of minus 2. So 0.0714 in standard form is 7.14 times 10 to the power minus 2, and that is option C. So this is the answer to the question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 11. Which of the Venn diagram below represents P prime intersects Q intersects R prime? That is, which of these Venn diagram simply represents contents which are not in P, not in subset P, and also not in subset R. That's what this prime represents. That is not in, but in subset Q. Now looking at this, representing this in a Venn diagram, we'll have something like this. Now let's assume this is P, this is Q, and this is R. So we have P, Q, R. Now the question says P prime, that is that which is not in P. Now this is the entire P, so therefore nothing must be in this P. That is, this P entirely must not be shaded, and also not in R. This is R here, meaning that what the entire R must not be shaded, but in Q simply means that what this Q, part of Q, is part of it. Now the thing is, any part of Q that intersects with P must not be shaded, and any part of Q that intersects with R must not be shaded. Why? Because the question is telling us that this content is not in P and R, so therefore any part of Q that intersects with P and R will not be shaded. So the only shaded parts can be what? The part that is outside P and R, which is this side. And if you look at this, you see that what option A corresponds to what our shaded area. So therefore option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 12. In a survey of 15 newspaper readers, 40 read Champion and 30 read Guardian, how many read both papers? A 15, B 5, C 10, and D 20. Now we can represent this using a Venn diagram in order to get the number of those that read both papers. Now the universal set is 50. That is 50 readers. Now out of these 50 readers, it was established that what 40 read Champion. Let's represent Champion with C. And then 30 read Guardian. Let's represent Guardian with G. Now out of those that read Champion and those that read Guardian, some read what? Both papers, as some read both Champions and Guardian. Let's call those X. So we can now say here is what? Since those that read Champion is 40, we can now say here is 40 minus X, and those that read Guardian is 30, we can now say 30 minus X. So now when we sum up all this, it will give us what? 50, which is the universal set. So we can now say 40 minus X plus X. That is, 40 minus X simply means those that read what? That read Champion alone, plus X, which is those that read what? Both Guardian and Champion, then plus 30 minus X, which represent those that read what? Guardian alone. And all this will give us what? 50. Now from this we'll have that 40 plus 30 will give us what? 70. Then minus X plus X will give us 0. Then we have minus X equals to 50. So from here we have that 70 minus 50 is equal to X. So therefore X is equal to 20. So the number of those that read what? Both Champion and Guardian is 20, which is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 13. Make Q the subject of the formula if P is equals to M over 5 into X plus Q, close bracket, plus 1. A. 5P plus MX minus 5 over M. B. 5P minus MX minus 5 over M. C. 5P minus MX plus 5 over M. And D. 5P plus MX plus 5 over M. Now we have to make what? Q the subject of the formula. So we have P is equal to m all over 5 into x plus q plus close bracket plus 1. Now from this we are going to simply multiply both sides by 5 to eliminate this 5 from here. Let's simply multiply both sides by 5. So we multiply both sides by 5. Now we'll have that 5p is equal to m into x plus q close bracket plus 5. Now this is equal to 5p is equals to mx, that's opening a bracket now, plus mq plus 5. Now let's subtract what? Let's subtract 5 and mx from both sides. So we subtract mx and 5 from both sides, giving us 5p minus mx minus 5 is equals to mq. Now our major concern is to liberate what? To q, that is make q such a formula. Now with this we can simply make this by what? Dividing both sides by the coefficient of q, which is m. So dividing both sides by m, we'll have 5p minus mx minus 5 all over m is equals to mq all over m. Now this m, we cancel this m, giving us that q is equals to 5p minus mx minus 5 all over m, and that is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 15. Factorize completely x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x all over 2x squared minus 8. Now the options are A, x squared plus 5 all over 2x plus 4, B, x into x plus 5 all over 2 into x plus 2, C, x into x minus 5 all over 2 into x plus 2, D, x into x minus 5 all over 2 into x minus 2. Now we are asked to factorize what? Completely this. Now this can be written as x into x squared plus 3x minus 10 all over 2 into x squared minus 4. Now opening this bracket will give us exactly this. That's x multiplied by x squared will give us x cubed, x multiplied by 3x will give us 3x squared, and x multiplied by 10 will give us 10x. Likewise this 2 multiplied by x squared will give us 2x squared, and 2 multiplied by minus 4 will give us minus 8. Now we can also say that this is equal to, now let's factorize what? This part. Now this is a quadratic equation, that is from here to here is a quadratic equation. Now factorizing this, we have that what? We look for a number that when added together will give us plus 3, and when multiplied will give us minus 10, and those two numbers are minus 5 and 2. So we can now say x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 all over 2 into x squared minus 2 raised to the power of what? 2. Now this is equal to, this 2 raised to the power of 2 now is what? The 4 here. So this is equals to, we'll have x into x. Now factorizing this, let's factorize this now. Use the normal factorization of quadratic equation. We have x into x minus 5 plus 2 into x minus 5 all over 2 into x minus 2 raised to the power of 2. Now this is equal to x into, now factorization of this will give us what? X minus 5 x plus 2 all over 2 into x. Now this can be written as, since this is x minus 2, x minus 2 x plus 2. So this is equals to x into x minus 5 x plus 2 all over 2 into x minus 2 x plus 2. Now x plus 2 can cancel x plus 2, giving us what? X into x minus 5 all over 2 into x minus 2. And this is the correct answer. This is the complete factorization of this expression, and that is option D. X into x minus 5 all over 2 into x minus 2. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. And welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 16. So for x and y, if x minus y is equal to 2 and x squared minus y squared equals to 8, a 1 comma 3, that's x is 1, y is 3, b 3 comma 1, that's x is 3, y is 1, c minus 1 comma 3, meaning x is minus 1, y is 3, and d minus 3 comma 1, meaning x is minus 3 and y is 1. Now these are two equations given to us, and we can solve this simultaneously. So the first one says x minus y is equals to 2. So from here we can establish that what x is equals to 2 plus y. Let's call this one equation 1 and call this equation 2. Now we also have that what x squared minus y squared is equals to 8. Let's call it equation 3. Now let's substitute 2 plus y for x in equation 3, so that wherever we see x we put 2 plus y. So now we have x squared minus y squared, meaning 2 plus y, everything square, minus y squared is equal to 8. Now opening these brackets, we'll have that what 2 plus y multiplied by 2 plus y minus y squared equal to 8. Now from there we have that was 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 4, 2 multiplied by y will give us plus 2y, y multiplied by 2 will give us what? Plus 2y, and y multiplied by y will give us y squared minus y squared equals to 8. Now y squared minus y squared will give us 0, so we have 4 plus 4y equals to 8. Then we have 4y is equals to 8 minus 4, which is equals to 4, meaning that y is equals to 4 all over 4, which is equals to 1. So y is 1. Now from this we can get x from equation 2, because x is equals to 2 plus y, which is equals to 2 plus 1, and which is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3. That is x comma y is equals to 3 comma 1, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 17. If y varies directly as the square root of x and y equals to 3 and x equals to 16, calculate y when x equals to 64. Now the question is saying that y varies directly as the square root of x. Y varies directly as the square root of x. It simply means that what y is equals to introducing a constant k multiplied by what root x. Now when y is 3 and x equals to 16, now we're using this information here to find the formula, or there's the equation connecting y and x. So that is, we're looking for the value of k when y equals to 3 and x equals to 16, k multiplied by root 16. We have that what 3 is equals to k multiplied by 4. So 3 is equals to 4k. Dividing both sides by 4, which is the coefficient of k, we have that what k is equals to 3 over 4. So the constant is 3 over 4, and therefore the equation connecting them is that y is equals to 3 all over 4 multiplied by roots of x. Now we're not given that when x is equals to 64, we should find y. So therefore when x is equals to 64, y will be equals to 3 all over 4 multiplied by the square root of 64, which is equals to 3 all over 4 multiplied by 8. Now 4 here, 1, 4 into 8 is 2. 3 times 2 will be equals to what? 6, meaning that when x is equals to 64, y is equals to 6, and that is option C. Thank Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 18. If x is inversely proportional to y and x is equal to 2.5 when y is equal to 2, find x if y equals to 4. Option A, 2 whole number, 1 over 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 4. And option D, 1 whole number, 1 over 4. Now this is an inverse proportion whereby we're given that x is inversely proportional to y. Now introducing a constant, this proportionality sign will change to equation sign. So we have x is equals to k all over y. Now when x equals to 2.5 and y equals to 2, we have that 2.5 is equals to k over 2. Now we are trying to establish what the equation connecting x and y. So 2.5 is the same thing as 5 all over 2 is equals to k all over 2. Now from here we can see what we can say cross multiply. So we have 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2 multiplied by k. These 2 can cancel these 2, so we have that what k is equals to 5. Then the equation connecting x and y is that x is equals to 5 all over y. Now we are asked to find x if y is equals to 4. So if y is equals to 4, x is equals to 5 all over 4, which is equals to 1 whole number, 1 over 4, and that is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 19. For what range of values of x is 1 over 2x plus 1 over 4 greater than 1 all over 3x plus 1 over 2? Now this question is coined out from inequality. Now the options given is that A, x is greater than minus 3 over 2, B, x is greater than 3 over 2, C, x is less than 3 over 2, and D, x is less than minus 3 over 2. Now we're giving 1 all over 2x plus 1 all over 4 is greater than 1 all over 3x plus 1 all over 2. Now this is something as saying x over 2 plus 1 over 4 is greater than x over 3 plus 1 over 2. Now let's take the LCM of this side. LCM of this side will be 4. 2 into 4 will give us what? 2 plus times x will give us 2x plus 4 into 4, 1 times 1 will give us 1 is greater than. Now the LCM of this other side is 6. 3 into 6 is 2. 2 multiplied by x will give us 2x plus 2 into 6 is 3. Multiplied by 1 will give us 3. So now from here we can now what cross multiply. By cross multiplying we have that 6 into 2x plus 1 greater than 4 into 2x plus 3. Now this will give us, opening the bracket, we have 12x plus 6 is greater than 8x plus 12. Collecting like terms, we have 12x minus 8x is greater than 12 minus 6. So we have 4x greater than 6. So dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4, we have x is greater than 6 all over 4. Here we have 3, 2 here we have 3, and 2 here we have 2. So that means x is greater than 3 all over 2, and that is option B, 3 all over 2. Thank you and God bless you. And just subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 20. Solve the inequalities. Minus 6 is less than or equal to 4 minus 2x, which is less than 5 minus x. A, minus 1 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 6. B, minus 1 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 5. C, minus 1 is less than x, which is less than 5. And D, minus 1 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 6. Now, looking at this this inequality, two inequalities has been what joined here. So the first part is what minus 6 is less than or equal to 4 minus 2x, and the second part is 4 minus 2x is less than 5 minus x. Now let's solve the first part. So here we have minus 6 is less than or equal to 4 minus 2x. Here now we can simply say that minus 6 minus 4 is less than or equal to minus 2x. So we have what minus 10 is less than or equals to minus 2x. Now we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 2. Now because we are dividing by a negative sign, this inequality sign has to change. So therefore we'll be having what? We'll be having 5 is greater than or equals to x. Now this is because of what? We are dividing by what? A negative sign. So this sign has to change to become greater than. If it was greater than, it will change to become what? Less than. So we have 5 is greater than what? Or equal to x, or x is less than or greater than or equal to 5. Now let's come to the second part of the question. We have 4 minus 2x is less than 5 minus x. So from here we can see 4 minus 5 is less than 2x minus x. So from here we can say minus 1 is less than x. Therefore we can now say that minus 1 is less than, as combining these two answers, minus 1 is less than x, which is less than or equals to 5, and that is option B. Minus 1 is less than x, which is less than or equals to 5. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 21. Find the sum to infinity of the following series: 0.5, 0.05, 0.005, 0.0005, and so on. A 5 over 9, B 5 over 7, C 5 over 8, and D 5 over 11. Now the formula for finding the sum to infinity, like you can see now, looking at this series, this is a GP, a geometric progression, and the formula for finding what sum to infinity of a geometric progression is given as A all over, that is the first term, all over 1 minus the common ratio, which is R. Now what is A? From this, A, which is the first term, is 0.5, which we can also write as 1 over 2. 0.5 is 1 over 2. Then R, which is the common ratio. Now we can get R from T2 all over T1, and our T2 here is 0.05, that's 0.05 all over 0.5, and that is equals to 1 all over 10. So R is 1 over 10. Now with this we can find what sum to infinity. So sum to infinity will now be equals to A, which is 1 over 2, divided by 1 minus 1 all over 10. Now 1 over 10 is what? Is the R. Now this is equal to 1 all over 2 all over 9 over 10. 1 minus 1 over 10 will give us 9 over 10. So now this is equals to 1 all over 2 divided by 9 over 10. Right, like this. 1 over 2 divided by 9 over 10. Now we can write this by saying what? Changing this division sign to multiplication sign, we have 1 over 2 multiplied by 10 all over 9. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So this is equals to 5 all over 9. And that is what? Option A. So 5 over 9 is the sum to infinity of the following series. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. And welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 22. The third term of an arithmetic progression is minus 9, and the seventh term is minus 29. Find the 10th term of the arithmetic progression. A 44, B minus 165, C minus 44, and D 165. Now for us to find the 10th term of this progression, since we know that to find a term Cn is equals to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D, A being the first term and D being the common difference. This is an arithmetic progression. Now for us to find the 10th term, that's still 10, we have to know the first term, which is A, and we still have to know what the common difference which is D. Now we're not giving this first term and common difference, but we have to solve the get them from the information given to us. The information says the third term of the arithmetic progression is minus 9, meaning that T3 is equals to minus 9, which is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 multiplied by D. So from here I can see that what minus 9 is equals to A plus 2D. Now the question also says that what the seventh term is minus 29, meaning that T7, let me call this equation 1, meaning that T7 is equals to what minus 29, which is equals to A plus 7 minus 1 multiplied by D. That is minus 29 is equals to A plus 6D. Now let's call this equation 2. Let's call this equation 2. Now, from equation 1, we can simply say that what? We can simply say A is equals to minus 9 minus 2D. Let's call this equation 3. Now you see I got this from what? Equation 1. So let me say from equation 1, A is equals to minus 9 minus what? Minus 2D. Now substitute minus 9 minus 2D for A in equation 2. So we have what? We have minus 29 is equals to, now whenever we see A in equation 2, we put what? Minus 9 minus 2D. So minus 9 minus 2D plus 6D. So we have minus 29 plus 9 is equals to 6D minus 2D. Now from this place we can have that what? Minus 29 plus 9 give us what? Minus 20 is equals to what? 4D. Now divide both sides by the coefficient of D, which is 4. 4 we cancel 4. 4 here 1, and 4 in minus 20 will give us minus 5. Meaning that what? D is equals to minus 5. So the common difference is minus 5. The common difference is minus 5. Now from this we can now find what? A. Since our common difference now D is minus 5, we can now say A from equation 3 is equals to what? Minus 9 minus 2D. And since this is minus 5, A is equals to what? Minus 9 minus 2 times minus 5. And so this is equals to minus 9 minus 10. And this is equals to minus 9 plus 10, which is equals to what? 1. So A is equals to what? 1. So now we have what? D to be equals to minus 5, the common difference, and A, the first term, to be equals to 1. But the question says the what? Find the 10th term, that is C10. We are asked to find the 10th term, C10. Now let me find the 10th term in this place. So C10 will be equals to what? A, which is 1 plus 10 minus 1 multiplied by what? Minus 5, which is the D. So T10 is equals to 1 plus 9 multiplied by minus 5. So C10 is equals to 1 plus minus 45, which is equals to 1 minus 45. So C10 is equals to what? Minus 44. So minus 44 is the answer to this question. So you can see what I did. I solved for what? I found my D, common difference, found the first term, then use it to find what? The C10, which is minus 44, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 23. If x with this asterisk y is equals to x plus y square. Now this is a binary function. It's a binary function. So you have x asterisk y is equals to what? X plus y square. Now this is it. Find the value of 2 asterisk 3 in brackets asterisk 5. A, we have 36. B, we have 11. C, we have 25. And D, we have 55. Now looking at this by binary function, we're given that x entire asterisk y is equals to what? X plus y square. Now we're given 2 asterisk 3 asterisk what? 5. But looking at this, let's pick this both brackets first. Let's solve this bracket. So in the bracket we have 2 asterisk 3, and this is equals to, from the binary function given to us, x plus y square, that's 2 plus 3 square, and this is equals to 2 plus 9, which is equals to 11. Now let's now come outside the bracket. So the result of this bracket asterisk what? 5, and that will be 11 asterisk 5, which is equals to what? 11 plus 5 square, and this is equals to 11 plus 25, which is equals to 36. So the answer to this question is 36, which is option A, 36. So this is a binary what? Function. It's just for us to follow the example given to us. Thank you and God bless you. And just subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 24. If P and Q are two non-zero numbers and 18 into P plus Q is equals to 18 plus Q in brackets multiplied by Q, which of the following must be true? A. Q is equals to 18. B. P is equals to 18. C. P is less than 1 and D. Q is less than 1. So which of these statements or which of these must be true? Now we're given that what? 18 into P plus Q is equals to 18 plus P in brackets, then Q outside the bracket. Now opening this, we'll have what? 18P plus 18Q is equals to 18Q plus PQ is what we have here. Now looking at this, we can now say what? We can simply say that this 18Q, we cancel this 18Q here. 18Q, we cancel 18Q. So we have what? 18P is equals to what? PQ. Now from here we can see, since we have P here and we also have PQ here, we can simply say what? Divide both sides by P. And by dividing both sides by P, this P here we cancel this P, and this P we cancel this P. So we have 18 is equals to Q, or Q is equals to 18. So that means Q is equals to what? 18. And that is option A. Q is equals to 18. That's the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 25. If the determinant of, if X, this is a matrix now, a 2 by 2 matrix, which we have X3, 2, 7 is equal to 15. Now find the value of X in this what? In this matrix. A3, B5, C4 and D2. Now if you look at this, they've given us that what? The determinant of this matrix. Now when you see a matrix having this and you have the content, it simply means that the determinant of this matrix is equals to what? 15. Now with this we can find the value of X. We can what? Find the value of X. Now that is what it simply means is that what? X multiplied by 7 minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 15. Now if you look at what I did, I multiplied this with this, then I multiplied this one and this one too, then subtracted this one from this. That's what I did here. So that's how to find the determinant of a matrix. So from here I have 7x minus 6 is equals to what? Is equal to 15. Now 7x minus 6 is equals to 15, so therefore I'll have that what? 7x is equals to 15 plus 6. That means 7x is equals to 21. Now divide both sides by the quotient of x, which is 7. So I have that what? 7 here 1 and 7 here 3. So x is equals to 3, which is option A. So the value of x in this matrix is 3. Thank you and God bless you. And just subscribe to our channel for more videos and past. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 26. Evaluate the given matrix, a 3 by 3 matrix. We have 2, 0, 5, 4, 6, 3, 8, 9, 1. This is the 2 by 2, a 3 by 3 matrix. Now we have to evaluate this matrix. Now looking at this matrix, it simply means what? We are asked to find the determinants of this matrix. The determinant of this matrix given this. Now, finding the determinant of this matrix, we can simply express this as saying, remember there's a law, we have plus. If you are picking the top, you have plus, minus, plus. If you are picking the middle, it's what? Minus, plus, minus. And if you're picking the lower one, you have plus, minus, plus. Now note, when you're picking 2 on this side, you don't pick any number under the side. You have to pick the 2 in this side. Now what do I mean? The first is what? The first is 2 now. So I pick plus 2 into, then I pick what? This under here, 6, 3, 9, 1. Then minus 0 into, I now pick here, 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 here. I don't pick what's under 0 again. So I have 4, 3, 8, 1. Then plus 3 into, I now come here. This is plus 5, sorry, not 3. Plus 5. So I now come here. I don't pick what's under 5. I pick my 4, 6, 8, 9. So 4, 6, 8, 9. Now from this, I'll have that what? 2 into, now normal solving of matrix. So we'll have 6 multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by 9, close brackets, minus 0 into 4 multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by 8 plus 5 into 4 multiplied by 9 minus 6 multiplied by 8. Now from this we'll have 2 into, from here we have 2 into 6 minus 27 minus 0 into 4 minus 24 plus 5 into 36 minus 48. Now this will give us what? 2 into minus 21 minus 0 into minus 20 plus 5 into minus 12. Now 2 multiplied by minus 21 will give me what? Minus 42. Minus 0 multiplied by minus 20 will give me what? 0. Then 5 multiplied by minus 2 will give me what? Minus 60. Now when I add this together, minus 42 minus 0 minus 60 will give me what? Minus 102. And that is what? Option D. So the answer to this question is minus 102. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and this question. Hello, good day and welcome. I'm going to be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 27. If P is a matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix of 2, minus 3, 1 and 1. Now what is what's P inverse? That is P raised to the power of minus 1. Now A is given to us. We have 1 over 5, 3 over 5, 1 over 5, 2 over 5. B we have 1 over 5, minus 1 over 5, 3 over 5, 2 over 5. C we have minus 1 over 5, minus 1 over 5, 3 over 5, 2 all over 5, and D minus 1 over 5, minus 1 over 5, minus 3 over 5, and minus 2 over 5. Now we're given that P is equals to a 2 by 2 matrix of 2, minus 3, 1 and 1. Now first of all, before we can find the inverse of P, that's P raised to the power minus 1, let's first of all find the determinant of P. Let's solve for P first. Now P, now this is equals to 2 multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by 1. Now this is equals to what? 2 minus 3, and this is equals to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Now P is equals to 5. Now P raised to the power of minus 1 will be equals to 1 all over P, which we've gotten, which is 1 over 5. Now into, now there's a law. Whenever you have a reciprocal or inverse of a matrix, now something what happens? Something happens. Now the first thing that happens is that this here and this here will change their position, and then this and this will change sign. There will be a change in sign for this, and there will be a change in position for this. Now what do I mean? Now here we have 2 and 1, but it will change to what? 1 and 2. Here now we have -3 and we have 1 here, but to change to what? -1 and what? +3. So this is equals to, I told you, 1 over 5 into 1 minus 1 plus 3, 2. If you look at what I told you, I said what? This changed. Look at it. It was 2 we're having here, then 1 here, but it changed. So become 1 and 2. Then the sign of this one here, this vertical side, this diagonal side here will change towards -3, and it will change to +3 since it's minus I say, and -1 since it's plus I say, which is what we have. So from this now, we have that P inverse is equals to, we'll now multiply everything of this box by 1 over 5. Now that will give us 1 times 1 over 5 will give us 1 over 5, minus 1 times 1 over 5 will give us -1 over 5, plus 3 times 1 over 5 will give us 3 over 5, and plus 2 times 1 over 5 will give us 2 over 5. So I can write this as 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5, 3 over 5, and 2 over 5. And if you look at this, that is option B. This is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'm going to be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 28. From the diagram above, now this is a diagram above, we're giving to us a circle, a quadrilateral, and a triangle inside the circle. You can see the triangle, and if you look at the circle very well, you see that what? There is a tangent, which is TU, a line tangent, TU. And also looking at the circle, you notice that what? The line inside the circle passes through what? The line RS passes through this, to the diameter, that is, it divides the circle into 2 equal parts, that is a semicircle. Now from this diagram above, we are asked to find the value of x, and looking at the value of x, you see that x is an angle towards the what? Tangent. Now we have A to be 65 degree, B 50 degree, C 55 degree, and D 75 degree. Now looking at this question, this diagram, you notice that what? Angle RCS, look at it, angle RCS, this angle here is equals to what? 90 degree. Now why is this 90 degree? This is because of what? Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. That theorem that says that when two lines from the diameter of a circle or of a semicircle touches the circumference of that semicircle, that angle formed between those two lines is what? Is a right angle, that is 90 degree. So that is why angle RTS is 90 degree. Now we can now say that 25 degree, this 25 degree plus this 90 degree now that I've gotten, plus angle RST. Now this is angle RST, this angle here is equals to what? 180 degree. Why? This is because of what? Sum of angle in a triangle. Sum of angle in a triangle. Look at it, this is a triangle here. So this is angle RST. So angle RST plus this 90 degree which we've discovered plus this 25 degrees equals to what? 180 degrees. So therefore we can say angle RST is equals to 180 minus 115 degree, and this is equals to what? 65 degree. So that angle RST is equals to 65 degree. Now looking at this, we're asked to find the value of x. If you look at x and look at this angle RST, you notice that what? Angle RST is equals to x. Now this is because what? They are alternate segments. Angle of alternate segments are what? Are equal, and so therefore we can now say x is equals to 65 degree, which is what? Option A. X is 65 degree because angle RST and x are alternate what? Angle of alternate segments. And remember, since this line here is a what? Is a tangent, so this and these are alternate segments, making this angle equal to this angle. So the value of x is 65 degree, which is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 29. The interior angles of a quadrilateral are x plus 15 degree, 2x minus 45 degree in brackets, x minus 30 degree in brackets, and x plus 10 degree. Now we are asked to find the value of the least interior angle. Value of the least interior angle. Now before we can find the value of the least interior angle, we have to find the value of x first of all. When we find the value of x, then we can find the value of the least interior angle. Now for us to do this, we know that sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral, since these angles are 4, which is 1 2 3 4, that means this shape is a quadrilateral. Now sum of interior angles, sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral, like a square. I'm not saying this is a square, I'm just saying a quadrilateral. I'm giving an example, like a square is equal to 360 degree. So from this we can deduce that x plus 15 plus 2x minus 45 plus x minus 30 plus x plus 10 is equals to what? Is equals to 360 degree. Now from this we have x plus 2x, which is 3x, plus x, 4x plus x, 5x. We have 5x. Now looking at this, we have we have 15 plus 15 minus 45 will give us minus 30, minus 30, minus 30 minus 30 will give us minus 60, plus 10 will give us minus 50 is equals to 360. From this we have that 5x is equals to 410, because this minus 15 will come here to become plus 50. So to get value of x, we simply divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. This 5 we cancel 5 here 1, 5 in 410 is equals to 82. So that means x is equals to 82 degree. So the value of x is 82 degree. Now we're now asked to find the value of the least interior angle, and looking at this, the least interior angle here is x minus 30. Least interior angle, the least interior angle is equals to x minus 30 degree. So this is equals to 82 minus 30 degree, and that is equals to 52 degree, which is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. That is the least interior angle. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 30. From the cyclic quadrilateral CUVW above, find the value of x. We have to find the value of x from the quadrilateral given to us. Now if you look at it, this is where the x is located. You can see it's 3x plus 20 degree, and here is it's 8 degree. Now like we know, in a cyclic quadrilateral, that is when you have a quadrilateral inside a circle, the two opposite angles are are supplementary. Opposite angles, that is sum of opposite angles. Now let me just put it, sum of opposite angle is equals to 180 degree, meaning that these angles are supplementary. Now I can now say 88 degree plus 3x plus 20 is equals to 180. Now this is because opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, that is they are equals to 180. Now I can now have that 3x is equals to 180 minus 88 minus 20, which is equals to 180 minus 108. So I have 3x is equals to 72. Now x will be equals to 72 all over 3, which is equals to 24. So the value of x is 24, which is option C, 24 degree. X is 24 degree. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 31. If the two smaller sides of a right angled triangle are 4 cm and 5 cm, find its area. A 10 cm square, B 6 centimeters square, C 8 centimeters square, and D 24 centimeters square. So we're given that what the two smaller sides of a right angle triangle, a right angled triangle. Now looking at this right angle triangle, the two smaller sides are here and here, and it says it's what 4 cm and 5 cm. Now I asked to find its what area, and area of a triangle A is given as half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So this is equals to half multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5, and this is equals to what 20 all over 2, which is equal to 10 centimeters square, and that is option A, 10 centimeters square. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 32. An arc subtends an angle of 50 degrees at the center of the circle of radius 6 cm. Calculate the area of the sector formed. A 90 all over 7 cm square, B 110 all over 7 cm square, C 100 over 7 cm square, and D 80 over 7 cm square. Now the question says that an arc subtends an angle of 50 degrees at the center of a circle. So an arc subtends an angle of what? 50 degrees. Let's say the center of the circle. Now this angle is what? 50 degrees. Now this is the arc. Now if you look at this, this is a what? Is a sector. We're now asked to find what? The area of this sector. Now the formula for finding the area of a sector, is equals to theta all over 360 multiplied by pi r square. Theta over 360 multiplied by pi r square. So we have this is equals to, now the angle given to us is what? 50 degree all over 360 multiplied by 22 all over 7, then multiplied by r square, which is what? 36. That's r square. Now let's just say, okay, that's 6 square. So this is equals to 50 all over 360 multiplied by 22 all over 7 multiplied by what? 36. Now this 0 we cancel this 0 here, so we have 5 left here. We have 36. 36 can cancel this 36, so we have what? This is equals to 5 times 22 all over 7. Now 5 times 22 all over 7 will give us what? Will give us 110. So this is equals to 110 over 7 centimeter square, which is option B. So this is the area of the sector. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 33. A cylindrical pipe 15 meter long with radius 7 meter has one end open. What is the total surface area of the pipe? A 700 pi meter square, B 98 pi meter square, C 350 pi meter square, and D 749 pi meter square. Now we are asked to find the total surface area of a cylindrical pipe. That's a cylinder, and we know the total surface area of the cylinder is equals to 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. That's when both ends of this cylinder is closed. But from the question we have that one end is open. So because one end is open, we can answer that the total surface area of this cylindrical pipe is equals to 2 pi rh, which is the curved surface area, plus pi r square, which is the surface area or the area of the closed end. So this is for the open end now. So this is the formula we're going to be using. Now we can write this formula as equals to pi into 2rh plus r square. So this will now be equals to pi into 2 multiplied by the radius is 7 and the height is what? 50, then plus 7 square. So we can now say that this is equals to pi into 2 times 7 times 50 will give us what? 700 plus 7 square will give us 49. So this is equals to pi into 749. 9. Now pi multiplied by 749 will give us what? 749 pi centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of this cylindrical pipe with one end open. So 749 pi meter square, which is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 34. What is the locus of points that is equidistant from points P 1,3 and Q 3,5? So we are asked to find what the locus of points that is equidistant from points P 1,3 and Q 3,5. A, y is equals to minus x plus 6. B, y is equals to x plus 6. C, y is equals to minus x minus 6. And D, y is equals to x minus 6. Now, locus of a point is given as x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square, which is equal to x minus x2 square plus y minus y2 square. Now this is what the expression for finding the locus of a point. Now from this information given to us, we have that x1 is equal to 1, x1 is equals to 1, y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equals to 3, and y2 is equal to 5. So therefore we have that we have x minus x1, which is x minus 1 square, plus y minus y1, that is y minus 3 square, is equal to x minus 3 square, which is, x2 is 3, minus 3 square, plus y minus y2, which is y minus 5 square. So from this now we'll be having what? X minus 1 into x minus 1 plus y minus 3 into y minus 3. This is equals to x minus 3 into x minus 3 plus y minus 5 into y minus 5. So from this now we can now open this bracket, that is x will multiply x and multiply minus 1, and also minus 1 will multiply x and multiply what? Minus 1. So from this first expression here, by opening the bracket, we'll have x square, that's x times x will give us x square, then minus x times minus 1 will give us minus x, minus 1 times x will give us what? Minus x, then minus 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 1, plus, now we're in this bracket, y times y will give us what? Y square, y times minus 3 will give us minus 3y, minus 3 times y will give us minus 3y, and minus 3 times minus 3 will give us plus 9, which is equal to, now we are here, x times x will give us x square, then x times minus 3 will give us minus 3x, minus 3 times x will give us minus 3x, and minus 3 times minus 3 will give us plus 9, plus y times y will give us y square, y times minus 5 will give us minus 5y, minus 5 times y will give us minus 5y, and minus 5 times minus 5 will give us plus 25. Now looking at this now, you can see that what? This x square here, we cancel this x square here. This 9 also can cancel this 9 here. So cancel the 9 here. And also this y square, we cancel this y square here. So what we are left with? We are left with what? Minus x minus x. Now minus x minus x will give us what? Minus 2x plus 1. Then minus 3y minus 3y, which is minus 6y, is equal to, now here we have minus 3x minus 3x, which is minus 6x, then minus 5y minus 5y is minus 10y, then plus 25. Now collecting like terms, now we'll have what? Minus 2x plus 6x, then minus 6y plus 10y is equal to 25 minus 1. So from here we'll have what? We'll have 4x plus 4y is equals to 24. Now we can write this as in what? 4y plus 4x is equals what? 24 is equal to 24. Now let's take x back to this place. We'll have 4y is equals to what? 24 minus x. 24 minus x. Now divide both sides by what? Divide both sides. 24 minus 4x, sorry, you know this is 4x here. Now divide both sides by 4. And divide both sides by 4. So 4 we cancel 4. That's to give us y is equals to, now 4 here 1, 4 in 24 will give us what? 6 minus 4 we cancel 4 to give us what? X. So we can now say y is equals to 6 minus x, or y is equals to minus x plus 6, minus x plus 6, and that is what? Option A. So this is the locus of the points that is equidistant from this what? Points given. So the answer is y is equals to minus x plus 6. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 35. Find the distance between the points 1 over 2, 1 over 2 and minus 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2. A root 2, B 0, C 1 and D root 3. So we have to find the distance between the points. Distance between the points. Now distance between this given point D is given as the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now from this information given above, x1 is equals to 1 over 2, comma, y1 is equals to 1 over 2, comma, x2 is equals to minus 1 over 2, comma, and y2 is equals to minus 1 over 2. Now our D, distance between this point, will be equals to square root of x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 all over 2 minus 1 over 2 square plus y2 minus y1, which is minus 1 all over 2 minus 1 over 2 square. Now D is equals to minus 1 all over 2 minus 1 all over 2. That will give us what? Minus 1. Give us square root of minus 1 square plus minus 1 all over 2 minus 1 all over 2 will give us what? Minus 1 square. So we have D is equals to square root of 1 plus 1, because 1 square minus 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is 1. So this is equals to what? Root 2. So the distance between this point is root 2, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 36. Find the gradient of the line passing through the point P. Now point P has the coordinates of 1, 1 and Q, which has the coordinates of 2, 5. Now A we have 4, B we have 2, C we have 3 and D we have 5. Now gradient M is given as y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Now from the information given to us, x1 is equals to 1, y1 equals to 1, x2 equals to 2 and y2 equals to 5. So therefore gradient M is equals to 5 minus 1 all over 2 minus 1, and this is equals to 4 all over 1, which is equals to 4. So the gradient is 4, which is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 37. Find the equation of a line parallel to y equal to minus 4x plus 2 passing through 2, 3. That's passing through that point with coordinates 2, 3. Now, options given to us is that A is equals to y minus 4x plus 11 equal to 0. B, y minus 4x minus 11 equal to 0. C, y plus 4x plus 11 equal to 0. And D, y plus 4x minus 11 equal to 0. So we have to find the equation of a line parallel to another line, which is y is equals to minus 4x plus 2. This is the equation of the line. Now, first of all, we have to find what? We have to find the gradient of this first line. Now, from equation of a line, y is equals to mx plus c. You will see that what the gradient of this line m is equals to what? Minus 4. The gradient of this first line m is equals to minus 4. Now, since the lines are what? Parallel. Since we are told that this line is parallel to this line here, so since the lines are parallel, since they are parallel, now we can now see that what the slope of this first line will be equal the same as what the slope of this was parallel second parallel line. Since they are parallel to each other, you know, when it's perpendicular it will be different, but because it's parallel, because the two lines are what parallel like this, it simply means that what the slope of this first line, which is given as y is equals to minus 4x plus 2, will be what the same as this. So we can now say that what the slope of the second line, let's call it m1, is equals to the slope of the first one m, which is equals to what? Minus 4. Now for the new line, we can now get the equation of the new line. So for the new line, which is parallel to the other line, we can now say that what y minus y1 is equals to m1 into x minus x1. Now the m1 is the slope of the second line, which I have to find. As we have to find the equation of the line parallel. So the parallel line, the second line is the m1. So our y1 is what? Is 3, and our x1 is 2, which is the point with what it passes through. So we can now say y minus y1, which is 3, is equals to m1, which is the slope, minus 4 into what? X minus 2x1. So we can now say y minus 3 is equals to what? Minus 4x plus 8. Minus 4x plus 8. So now bringing all this to the left hand side, we'll have that what? y plus 4x, then minus 3 minus 8 is equals to 0. So y plus 4x minus 11 is equals to 0. Now this is the equation of the what? Second line, which is parallel to the first one. And so therefore option D is the correct answer to this question. Option D, y plus 4x minus 11 is equal to 0. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 38. If cot theta is equals to 8 over 15, where theta is acute, find sine theta. Now, cot theta is equals to 8 over 15, and it is known that cot theta simply means what? 1 all over tan theta. So if cot theta is 8 over 15, that means tan theta is equals to what? 15 all over 8. So from this now we can represent this what? With on a right angle triangle, because tan theta simply means what? Opposite over adjacent. So imagine this is a theta, it simply means what? 15, and here is what? 8, opposite over adjacent. Now let's look for what? The hypotenuse here, for us to be able to find sine theta. Now hypotenuse from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to what? 8 square plus 15 square, which is equals to 64 plus 225. That's hypotenuse square, and hypotenuse square is equals to what? 289. Now the hypotenuse will be equals to the what? Square root of 289, which is equals to 17. Now sine theta is equals to what? Opposite over hypotenuse, which is equals to, the opposite is 15 and the hypotenuse is 17, so 15 over 17, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 39. If the area of the triangle given above, which is triangle PQR, is 12 root 3 centimeters square, find the value of Q, that's side Q. A 6 centimeter, B 8 centimeter, C 7 centimeter, and D 5 centimeter. Now looking at this triangle here, we have triangle PQR. This side is 8 centimeter and this side is Q. And we are asked that what we should find this Q, given that the area of this triangle is 12 root 3. Now we know the area of a triangle is given as half times A times B times what? Sine theta. So from this now we can say the area is what? 12 root 3 is equal to 1 all over 2 multiplied by A, which is 8 cm, multiplied by B. Our B now is Q, then multiply by sine theta. Now sine 60, that's sine theta, sine 60. So therefore we can say that what? 12 root 3 is equal to 1 all over 2 multiplied by 8 multiplied by sine 60 is equals to what? Root 3 all over 2. Root 3 over 2. Now we can simply say that what? 2 here 1 and 2 into here 4, 2 here 1 and 2 into 4 2. So we can simply say 12 root 3 is equal to 12 root 3 is equals to 2 root 3 multiplied by Q. Now from here we can now say that what? Q is equals to 12 root 3 all over 2 root 3. 12 root 3 over 2 root 3. Now from here we can say that what? Q is equals to 2 here 1 and 2 in 12 will give us 6. That's 6 root 3 all over root 3. Now we won't stop here. We will now multiply this numerator and denominator by what? By root 3. That's rationalization. Now we will rationalize what? This surd. Since it's a surd, by multiplying the numerator by what? Root 3 and also the denominator by root 3. So we have Q is equals to 6 root 3 multiplied by 3 all over root 3 multiplied by 3. So Q is equals to what? 6 multiplied by root 9 all over root 9. Therefore you can now say Q is equals to what? 6 multiplied by 3 all over 3. 3 will cancel 3. Therefore Q is equals to 6. So the answer is 6 centimeter, which is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 40. If y is equals to 2x plus 1 in brackets raised to the power of 3, find the y dx, that is differentiate y in respect to x. Now we have y is equals to 2x plus 1 raised to the power of 3. Now the y dx will be equal to, that is differentiation of y in respect to x will be equals to what? 3, that is this n, in respect to what? 2x plus 1 raised to the power of what? 3 minus 1 multiplied by 2. Now this is equals to 3 into bracket of 2x plus 1 raised to the power of what? 2 multiplied by 2. And this is equals to 3. We multiply 2 to give us what? 6 into 2x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. And that is option D. So this is the answer to this question, option D. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 42. At what value of x does the function y equals to minus 3 minus 2x plus x squared attain a minimum value? A 1, B minus 4, C minus 1, and D 4. Now what this question is just trying to tell us is that what we are asked to find what this is a differential calculus, that is we are asked to differentiate y in respect to x. Now we're given y is equals to minus 3 minus 2x plus x squared. Now the question says that what at what value of x does the function y equals to this attain a minimum value. Now differentiating, we have the y dx will be equal to, now like we know when we have y is equals to x raised to the power of n, this simply means that what the y dx is equals to n x raised to the power of what n minus 1. So this is what we're going to be applying here also. Now looking at this minus 3 here, it is a constant, so it will be what, it will be 0. Now we have minus 2x, meaning that x is raised to the power of 1, so that will be what, minus 2x raised to the power of what, 1 minus 1 plus 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. So this is equals to minus 2, because x raised to the power of 1 minus 1 will give us what, x raised to the power of 0, which is 1. So we have minus 2 plus 2x. So we have minus 2 plus 2x. Now we will not just stop here. Since the y dx is equals to minus 2 plus 2x, then we can now say that what minus 2 is equals to minus 2x. That is bringing this 2x now to this left hand side. You can say what minus 2 is equals to what, minus 2x. Now divide both sides by minus 2, which is the coefficient of x. Minus 2 we cancel minus 2, then minus 2 we cancel minus 2 to give us 1. That means that x is equal to 1. So the answer for x is 1, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 43. Evaluate integral of x cubed plus x squared dx. Now having what, this 2 up and this 0 down, so that's what evaluate this was particular what integral, this integration given to us now. Now A says 2 whole number 5 over 6, B says 6 whole number 2 over 3, C 4 whole number 5 over 6, and D 1 whole number 5 over 6. Now we are given this 2x cubed plus x squared dx. Now this is equal to bracket of, now like we know when we are given integration of x raised to the power of n, this is equals to x raised to the power of n plus 1 all over n plus 1. So from here, since we have x raised to the power of 3, is going to be x raised to the power of what, 3 plus 1 all over 3 plus 1 plus, yes, x raised to the power of 2, that will be x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1. Now we can now what, show this now. This 2 and 0 here will be written as 2 and 0 here. Now this 2 and 0 here simply represents what? It represents the value of x at different what, different intervals, and I will show you how to use them or apply them. So first of all, let's finish with this. So this is equals to x raised to the power of 4 all over 4 plus x raised to the power of 3 all over 3 to 0. Now what we'll now do is that what will represent what, the value of x to be 2 and also the value of x to be 0. That is, we'll have something like this: 2 raised to the power of 4, that is when x equals to 2, 2 raised to the power of 4 all over 4 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 3. Now minus when x is 0, now 0 raised to the power of 4 all over 4 plus 0 raised to the power of 3 all over 3. I believe you can see what I just did now. That's why I told that this 2 and 0 represents what, the value of x at different what, interval. So you subtract the one below from the one what's above, which you did. So when x is equals to 2, we have this, and when x equals to 0, we have this. Now from this we'll have something like this. This is equals to 16 all over 4 plus 8 all over 3 minus, now from this you can see that everything here will give us 0, because 0 is power of 4 is 0 and 0 divided 4 is 0. Likewise 0 is power of 3 is 0, 0 divided 3 is 0, so minus 0. So this is equals to 16 all over 4 plus 8 all over 3. Now the LCM of 4 and 3 is what? 12. So 4 into 12 will give us 3. 3 times 16 will give us 48. 3 into 12 will give us what? 4. 4 times 8 will give us what? 32. So this is equals to 80 all over 12. And that is equals to 20 over 3, because 4 here will give us what? 3, and 4 here will give us 20. So 20 over 3. And 20 over 3 is equals to 6 whole number 2 all over 3. And that is option B. So that is the value. Option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 44. Find integral of sine x plus 2 dx. A. Cos x plus x squared plus k. B. Cos x plus 2x plus k. C. Minus cos x plus 2x plus k. And D. Minus cos x plus x squared plus k. So we have to find what? We have to find the integral, that is the integral derivative of this sine x plus 2. So we are given integral of what? Sine x plus 2 dx. Now we know that the integral derivative of sine x is what? Is minus cos. That is, sine is minus cos. So the integral derivative of sine theta is equals to what? Minus cos theta. But here we have sine x, so it will be what? Sine x will be equals to what? Minus cos x. So therefore we have what? We have minus cos x plus, now here we have 2. This 2 here simply means what? 2x raised to the power of 0. I know integration, when we are doing integration, we'll do what? If we have x raised to the power of n, that will be equals to x raised to the power of n plus 1 all over n plus 1. So since here represents 2x raised to the power of 0, because x raised to the power of 0 is 1, which would 2 times 1 will give us 2. So this will now change to what? It will now change to 2x raised to the power of what? 0 plus 1 all over 0 plus 1. So then we can now introduce the constant plus k. So this is equals to minus cos x, which is the derivative of sine x, plus 2x all over 1 plus k. So this is the what? Answer to this question, and that is option C. Option C, minus cos x plus 2x plus k. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 45. From the table above, if the pass mark is 5, how many students filled the test? A 7, B 2, C 6, and D 9. Now looking at this table, these are the number of students that took the test, and this is the mark obtained. Now these students here are given according to the mark. The number of students are given according to the mark they obtained. That means that 3 students obtained 2 marks, 1 obtained 3, 5 obtained 4, 2 obtained 5, 4 obtained 6, 2 obtained 7, and 3 obtained 8. Now the question says, if the pass mark is 5, that is, if 5 here is the pass mark, how many students failed? Now to get the number of students that failed, we have to look at the students that got 4 and below. That is, those that got below 5. So those that failed the test are those that got below 5. Now looking at it, we have to get those that got 4, those that got 3, and those that got 2. Now number of students that got 4 is 5, plus number of students that got 3, which is 1, and number of students that got 2, which is 3. Now this will give us 5 plus 1 plus 3, and that is equals to 9 students. So the answer to this question is option D. 9 students filled the test. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 46. The table above shows the marks obtained in a given test. How many students took the test? Option A says 15, option B says 20, 6 says 16, and D says 13. Now looking at the table above, we are given the marks obtained by these students, and the frequency here simply signifies the number of students that scores the marks. Now for 1 mark, 2 students got 1, for 2 students got 2, for 3 8 students got 3, for 4 8 students got 4, and for 5 4 students got 5 marks. Now the question is, how many students took the test? Now to determine the number of students that took the test, we simply add this frequency together, and that will be equals to 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4, and this is equals to 2 plus 2 will give us 4, 4 plus 8 will give us 12, 12 plus 4 will give us 16, and 16 plus 4 will give us 20. So that means 20 students took the test, and this was gotten from the frequency, which is equals to 20. So the answer to this question is option B, 20. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 47. The table above shows the marks obtained in a given test. Find the mean mark. Now we are given this table showing the mark and frequency. That is, this frequency represents the number of students that scored the following mark. Now we are asked to find the mean mark of this given test. Now let's represent this in a frequency distribution table. So we have the marks. Let's call the marks X. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these are the marks obtained. Now the frequency F, the frequency of those that scored 1 is 2. Then for 2 is also 2. For 3 we have 8. For 4 we have 4, and for 5 we have 4. Now the formula for finding mean is given as summation fx all over summation f. So we find fx. Already our summation f now, that is the sum of this frequency, which is 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4, and that is equals to 20. Now let's find fx. Fx simply means the mark multiplied by the frequency. 1 times 2 will give us 2, 2 times 2 here will give us 4, 3 times 8 will give us 24, 4 times 4 will give us 16, and 5 times 4 will give us 20. Now if you add this together, it will give us 66. So summation fx is equals to 66. So therefore mean is equals to summation fx over summation f, that is 66 all over 20, and this is equals to 3.3, which is option D, 3.3. So D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. everything over 4, which is n. So now this is equal to the square root of, now 2 minus 4 will give me what? Minus 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square all over 4. Now this is equal to square root of minus 2 square will give me 4 plus minus 1 square will give me 1 plus 1 square will give me 1 plus 2 square will give me 4 all over 4. So this is equals to square root of 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 will give me what? 10 all over 4. And this is equals to 2 can go into 4 2 times and into 4 m10 5 times. So this equals to what? Square root of 5 all over 10. So the answer is what? Square root of 5 all over 2, sorry, 5 all over 2. Since 2 we're going to 4 2 times, so square root of 5 all over 2, which is option A. So this is the answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 49. In how many ways can a committee of 2 women and 3 men be chosen from 6 men and 5 women? A. 50, B. 200, C. 100, and D. 30. Now, this is what? A combination. We are trying to what? Look for how to combine a committee of 2 women and 3 men, choosing from what? 6 men and 5 men. So this is a combination, and like we know, when we have n combination r, it is equals to n factorial all over n minus r factorial then r factorial. So now we would divide this into 2. We would check for the what? Combination of women, and then from the combination of what? Of men. So now for women, is equals to, so we are trying to pick what? 2 women out of what? 5 women. 2 out of 5, so that is 5 combination 2, and this is equals to 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 factorial 2 factorial. So this is equals to 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, that's 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 factorial means 3 factorial. So that's 3 times 2 times 1, then times 2 factorial, so times 2 times 1, and this is equals to what? If you do this, it will give you what? 10. So you can what? You can pick 2 women out of 5 women in 10 ways, and this for women. Now for men, we are asked to pick what? 3 men from 6 men. That is what? 6 combination 3. 6 combination 3. So this is equals to 6 factorial all over 6 minus 3 factorial 3 factorial, and that's equals to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over, now 6 minus 3 is 3, so 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1, then multiply by 3 factorial again, 3 times 2 times 1, and when you carry out this, it will give you what? It will give you 20. So there are 20 ways by which 3 men can be chosen from 6 men. Now therefore the committee of 2 women and 3 men can be chosen from 6 men and 5 women by what? Multiplying what? The number of ways of getting 2 women from 5 women by the number of ways of getting what? 3 men from 6 men, which is what? 20, and this is equals to what? 200 ways. So therefore there are 200 ways to get what? We can get a committee of 2 women and 5 men from 6 men and 5 women. So therefore the answer is what? 200, which is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 50. If 3 unbiased coins are tossed, find the probability that they are all heads. A. 1 over 8, B 1 over 3, C 1 over 6, and D 1 over 9. Now we're told that 3 unbiased coins are tossed. 3 unbiased coins are tossed. Find the probability that they are all heads. Now let's look at the possible outcomes. Let's look at the possible outcomes. Now when 3 unbiased coins are tossed, it's either we have a head, and head, or we have a head, and tail, or we have a head, tail, and head, or we have head, tail, tail, or we have tail, 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 or tail, tail, head, or tail, head, head, or we have tail, head, tail. Now these are the possible outcomes of this of the results when 3 unbiased coins are tossed. So it's either you have head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, 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 head, tail, head, head, and tail, head, tail. Now the question says find the probability that all are heads. They are all heads, and if you can look at it, this is the only possible outcome having all heads. So the probability now will be equals to this all over the total number of possible outcome, and total possible outcome is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So therefore the probability is 1 all over 8, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.